Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Are you ready to turn your kitchen into a stylish and organized culinary heaven? Look no further, our channel is dedicated to all things kitchen, canister, decoration, where we will show you how to transform those plain and boring containers into eye-catching and functional pieces of art. Join us as we embark on a creative journey exploring various style techniques, design ideas, and innovative hacks to elevate your kitchen decor. Whether you are a seasoned home decorator or a complete novice, our easy to follow tutorials and step by step guides will make the process enjoyable and rewarding. Discover the latest trends in canister decoration from farmhouse chic to modern elegance and everything in between. Learn how to incorporate different materials, colors, and patterns to complement your kitchen style and reflect your personality. Our channel is not just about aesthetics, it's also about practically. We will share tips and tricks for organizing your kitchen essential efficiently, making your daily cooking routines a breeze. So, if you are ready to add a touch of flair and functionality to your kitchen with creative canister makeovers, hit that subscribe button and join our community of kitchen decor enthusiasts. Let's together create a space that inspires and delights every time you step into your culinary sanctuary. Thank you for visiting our channel, and we can't wait to embark on this delightful decorating journey with you. Stay tuned and happy decorating. Subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my videos.